ChatGPT can be a powerful coding assistant that saves time and boosts productivity. Here's how you can use it effectively. 1. Get quick answers to coding questions. Stuck on a concept? ChatGPT can provide instant explanations for coding topics, from async functions to object-oriented basics. It's like having a coding tutor on call. 2. Generate code snippets. Need a quick solution? Describe your problem and ChatGPT will generate code snippets from basic functions to complex logic, helping you avoid repetitive tasks. 3. Debugging assistance for debugging. Paste your code and ChatGPT can help identify errors. It can point out syntax issues, logic flaws, and even suggest fixes, making debugging faster. 4. Learn new libraries with examples. If you're learning a new library, like React or Express, ask ChatGPT for examples. It provides useful snippets to help you grasp key concepts more quickly. 5. Refactor and optimize code. ChatGPT can also help you improve code quality. Paste your code and it will suggest optimizations or refactoring techniques for cleaner, more efficient code. Using ChatGPT can simplify tasks, enhance learning, and streamline your workflow as a developer.